Is Iran about to choke a quarter of the world's oil supply by closing the Strait of Hormuz? While the country's parliament has approved a resolution supporting the conditional closure of the strait, the final authority rests with its Supreme National Security Council. So far, Iran has not acted, but Revolutionary Guard leaders say they are prepared to do so if escalation continues. The Strait of Hormuz is a strategic choke point through which roughly 20% of global oil supply flows. Any closure would cause immediate disruption to global energy markets. Oil prices could surge past $100 per barrel, and insurance premiums for tankers in the region would spike. Energy importing nations, especially in Asia, would be hardest hit. However, a full closure would also backfire on Iran, damaging its own economy and risking international military retaliation. The US and its allies would likely respond with naval deployments to reopen the waterway, while China and others would urge restraint to protect trade. In reality, Iran is more likely to use the threat of closure as leverage, aiming to raise the cost of confrontation without committing to irreversible action. Still, any miscalculation could trigger a global crisis.